Hey guys, today I had a major craving for duck. So I went to Mama Chang's and picked up some Peking duck. So I got a whole Peking duck. Comes with the hoisin sauce and I guess their duck sauce. That looks nice. And then also I picked up some roast duck. Wow. The Peking duck comes with the pancakes or the little crepes with cucumbers and scallions. Man, that roast duck looks awesome. So does Peking duck. Well, I'm gonna sit down and kill my craving for duck today. All right. Well, I'm gonna make me a little duck wrap. Pick up a crepe. I'm gonna add some duck meat. Add duck meat, put on the crepe, put some more. Yeah. Add another one, another piece of meat. Yeah. All right. And add a nice little piece of duck skin. Look at that. And I'm going to put some scallions, green onions, and cucumbers. Gonna add some of the duck sauce. Maybe I should use a spoon, but I use my chopsticks to put some sauce on here. Look at that. Look at this. I'm gonna wrap it up. And I have a nice little Peking duck wrap. God, that's delicious. Look at that. Oh, that Peking duck is it's delicious. Oh. Oh. Make another one. Got the crepe. Add some duck meat. Some duck skin. Some scallions. Some cucumbers. And some hoisin sauce. Yeah. Dab it on with my chopsticks. Oh yeah. Check this out. Gonna wrap it up. Oh yeah. Oh. That is so good. A delicious Peking duck. Yeah, Mama Chang's is a good place to go for a Peking duck. There's another place called Peking Gourmet, and they do a pretty good duck too. But I like Mama Chang's. Man. All right, I'm gonna do another wrap. Get my crepe. Get some duck meat. More duck meat. Get some duck skin. Yeah. Some scallions or green onions, julienne. And some cucumbers. They julienne them. Yeah. And then put some hoisin sauce on there with my chopsticks. All right. Check this out. Gonna wrap it. Yeah. Man, that's so good. Oh yeah. They're delicious. Oh, so delicious. All right. I'm gonna start using my hands now. Let's try a roast duck. Let's see. Get a piece of roast duck. Look at that. I'm gonna dip it in some duck sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and delicious. That's so good. And pick up a drumstick. Check that out. I'm gonna dip it in some hoisin sauce. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. Nice and greasy. Nothing like duck grease. Oh yeah. Or duck fat. Duck fat is delicious. Man. I'm gonna make another Peking duck wrap. Get a nice piece of meat. Yeah. A nice piece of skin. That's it. Get a good big piece of skin. Yeah. Some scallions. some cucumbers, and then put some hoisin sauce on here with my chopsticks. Just dab it and dab it. All right. Check this out. Yeah. Make a little wrap. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. God. That's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Man, that's delicious. Well, I'm going to turn off the camera and enjoy my duck craving. I'm going to murder it today. See you guys next time.